Hi lovelies, my name is Juliet and today we are starting off with freshly washed hair. So this video is all about how to do a 3-strand twist out on type 4 hair. Mine specifically is 4C hair, and I'm going to take each twist out to do a 3-strand twist. And these are the products I'll be using. So the first one is a leave-in conditioner by ShopAviva. I have reviewed these products on my channel already, so you could go have a look at them. And then the next one is by Camille Rose Amul Jai Twisting Butter. That's the cream I'll be using, and then I'll be using a little bit of gel. This is the green olive one by Eco-Styler, and my last product will be a hair growth oil by J Bear Hair. So yes, so my hair started to get a bit dry, so I'm just spritzing water lightly on it. And once I spritz water, I massage it through, making sure to focus on the length of my hair, making sure to allow it to absorb into the length of my hair. Next, I am going to apply the leave-in conditioner. This is the amount that I'll be using. It's a bit bright, but that's it. So that's actually a bit much for this section of the hair, but it still absorbs really quickly. So that's one thing I love about this leave-in conditioner. Okay, next I'll be brushing gently, and I'm using this Game Changer brush by ShopAviva as well. I love this brush so much. I always talk about it, and it's literally helped me save so much time with detangling now. So I got mine from ShopAviva as well. I know I've said their brand name so many times, but yes, I just really like their products. And I'm going to link where you can purchase it from down below, so don't worry, I got you. Alright, so this is how easy detangling is. I hadn't detangled prior, because when I use this brush, people tend to think that I have already detangled, and no, that was just like straight from the shower. I only undid the twists before putting in the leave-in conditioner and then brushing. So after brushing, I make sure that I massage it through to make sure it penetrates, and then I also make sure to focus on the ends of my hair, because you know what, they are the oldest and they are prone to dryness. So I have just applied the cream, that's the Camille Rose Almond Dry Twisting Butter, before applying this oil. So this oil is just to seal, and I am taking my time just to make sure that I get it everywhere. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. So same process, use the praying hands to make sure everything gets absorbed. The key is to make sure that you massage it into your strands, because by the time you use this gel, I'm using just a little, can you see? It's really light, so yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm using really little just to coat it to make sure that my curls are really defined. And yeah, and the key to this is to make sure that you keep going over it to make sure that it's absorbed. So next, now time to twist. We have divided my hair into 3 sections, and it's as simple as putting the last twist over all 2 twists, and then you keep going. So you pick the last one, you turn it over, and then you pick the last one again, and then put it over the other 2. Pick the last twist and put it over the other 2. So that's the best way I can explain the three-strand twist. It takes some getting used to, but this is the quickest way that I could do it, that it makes, things really easy. I use like 3 fingers. So I use 2 to hold 2 of the strands of twist that I'll be twisting, and then I use my 3rd finger to pass over the last strand of twist over the other 2. So it's as simple as that. So I'm going to stop talking so you can actually pay attention to what I'm doing. But okay, no, I'm not. Okay, so this is it. I'm twisting all the way down to the very end, then you twirl your ends. Okay, so that's pretty much what it looks like. And yeah, so those are the twists that I've done, and I'm going to show you my whole head of twists now, see? So I'm going to proceed to put more oil into my hair. I love this oil because it's fast absorbing. It is pure Lang Lang oil, I think that's how it's pronounced, and it's got so many benefits inside. So I'm going to do a product review on this particular oil soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. So yeah, so I'm just massaging all through my hair, and I don't know why it's a bit blurred. I don't know what's up. I think I didn't set my camera right. So what I did here was I pulled all my hair to the front, and then I twisted it and then used just one bobby pin to hold it. I've been trying to use less hair bands and hair accessories on my hair, so that's why I'm just doing only that. So this is the next day, and my hair is about 80% dry. I wanted it so, but if you want your hair completely dry, please wait longer, especially if you're air drying, or you could use a blow dryer to fasten the drying process. But I wanted my hair a little bit down because I wanted it to shrink a lot more. So that's why I didn't stretch it across my head after twisting. So this is pretty much what it looks like. You just pull one twist and everything unravels. Like, it just comes out so easily. So this is what my definition looks like without separating. And it was so nice because this is the first time I'm using gel with my twist out, and I thought it was so cute, like, to see the tiny defined curls. And I usually don't do like small twists when I'm doing any kind of twist out. I usually like do large twists because I like my hair full and voluminous. But when I do small twists, my hair comes out a lot more shrunken and a lot less voluminous. But this was the look I was going for, so I'm happy with it. Okay, so I also wanted to show you all a realistic representation of what 4C hair type looks like with a 3-strand twist out. And yeah, so that's why I did it this way. So I absolutely loved and adored the curl. I absolutely loved and adored the curls. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna do this again. This was actually my first time like doing a 3-strand twist out in front of the camera. I do it and I just like leave it in the twist, but then like this I had to show you guys. So yeah, so this is what the definition looks like. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like all over my hair. And yeah, can you see how it curls all the way to the ends? Like, you can see that the ends of my hair are super coily. So yeah, I'm just going to take down all the rest of my twists now and allow you guys to enjoy that. So this is everything all taken down. I love the bangs. Another tip that I would love to share is that when you're twisting, twist in the direction that you want your hair to fall. So I wanted to have bangs, so I twisted forwards. Like, I've twisted the front of my hair forwards. So it's really important that you know that when you're twisting, the direction that you're twisting is super duper important. Okay, so now on to styling. So this is how I need to style my hair to leave the house. So that's why I wasn't really phased about having volume and separating as much, because my goal was to just put it up in the style and have as much definition as I can with my bangs and with the ends of my hair. So I'm going to be using this very curly scrunchie, and I love this scrunchie as well. So it's one of my favorite hair accessories. It doesn't break my hair. It's easy to use, easy to stretch, and I use it mostly for buns, like high buns and low buns. So yeah, it's really good. I also link everything in the description box that I used, so don't worry about it at all. All right, so I'm putting my hair in like a messy kind of high puff bun. So it's like a high puff and bangs, but like super messy, nothing too neat. But I just love how it looks, and I got so many compliments when I went out that day. Like, everyone kept asking, "Is this your hair? Is this your hair?" So yeah, I absolutely love it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So if you've gotten to this point, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to live well, live great, and pray always. God bless you. Don't forget to obviously subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, lovelies. Bye.